This time explains how to use the Indexkey on the THD4000 series inclinometer. This is a method of setting the inclination angle to 0 degrees where there is an inclination. The hexagonal one is the THD4000 series. If you want to set the current inclinometer to 0 degrees, rotate the Indexkey 90 degrees as shown, and touch it 3 times according to the numbers labeled. If you want to return the 0-point position to the factory default position, rotate the Indexkey 90 degrees as shown and touch it 3 times in the order indicated by the numbers. Finally, to summarize, the table is shown. Note that Indexkeys are sold separately, so if you are interested, please contact your local distributor or dealer.